Hi, I'm J. Anthony Marsada, and now I will show you how to apply transition in your presentation in MS PowerPoint. We need to use different technique to make our presentations unique. First, you can go to MS PowerPoint, click it, click it twice. Sorry, and wait for a while to start. Okay, and now here in MS PowerPoint. Put a word or a picture in this slide. You can go to insert, click the insert button and click the picture. Sorry about this, it is too loud. Um, Choose a good picture or the best one. Click the picture and click the insert tab or button. Okay, there's the picture. Then make the picture unique and then go to the slide and make another slide. Click the new slide and insert. If you want to insert another picture, just click this one picture here and choose a good picture. Oh, there is no beautiful picture. Okay, so see this one. Click again and insert. Make one again. New slide. Sorry about this. Sorry because it's too loud. Insert again one. Insert one again. Okay. Have you ever seen a presentation that had special effect or transition between its slides? Then you've seen transition in action. A transition can be as simple as fading from one slide to next, or you can be a lot more flashy. You can create all kinds of effect using the option u- option of a transition tab. Click the transition tab and select one of your slides. Okay. You click the picture. You go to transition tab again. Then click the arrow of the transition tab to view or to choose to view or to choose at once. Click the best one and then go to transition again and click the arrow. Transitions are dividing into three different categories depending on the type of effect. The first is the bubble, and the second category is followed by the exciting. Click one. The exciting is the where you find more complex animation, and finally there is the last one. The last one is the dynamic content. Okay. To play your transition again, all you need to do is to click the ribbon or the tiny star next to the slide. There it is. This one. You see that? That is how to make applying transition. If you want to make your transitions well, you can go to duration. Duration is to duration is to specify the length of the transition. The length of the transition. Click the arrow upper or lower. Okay, this 2 minutes and 25 seconds, and then apply to all. So that is. Then go to the one mouse click and check the one mouse click and check the after. Then put put a time in this. If you want the time is make it slowly, put just a little bit time, like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. After that, you can go to the slideshow, and if you want to see all your presentation, the MS Word presentation from beginning.